Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you Environmental Studies chapter number 2, My Body. Children, today we are going to do book work of this chapter. But before doing book work, we will discuss what we learned about this chapter. Let's see different parts of the body and their work. You know, we have different parts in our body and each body part do different work, like brain helps us to think, hands helps us to write, lungs helps us to breathe. Now these body parts are divided into two categories. One is external body parts, other is internal body parts. Now we will see external body parts. Head, nose, hand, eye, ear, arm, leg and foot. Do you know what function they do? Eyes help us to see, ear helps us to listen, nose helps us to breathe, hand helps us to hold the things, legs help us to move, to walk, to jump. Now internal body parts. The body parts which are inside our body and you cannot see them are internal body parts. First is heart. Heart is on the left hand side of the chest. It pumps blood. Brain helps us to think. It looks like a walnut. Do you know what is walnut? Walnut means akhroat. Brain is protected by skull. Now do you know what is skull? Touch your head, children. Can you feel something hard? This is our skull. Next is lungs. We have two lungs and lungs help us to breathe. Stomach helps us to digest food. Now what we learned here? External body parts and internal body parts. External body parts are the parts which when you stand in front of mirror and are visible to you, and internal body parts are the parts which you cannot see and they are inside our body. Now let's switch to book work. Children, open page number 14, hold pencil in your hand and you will do book work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. Let's start. Question number A. Find 8 parts of the body hair and write their names in the head. You can see a picture of head and different body parts. Now we will see each one and we will write here in beautiful handwriting. What is this? This is leg. L-E-G, leg. Now what is this, children? This is hand. Write H-A-N-D, hand. Now next picture is of ear. E-A-R, ear. Next picture, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Next picture is of mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Next picture is of foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Next picture is of chin. C-H-I-N, chin. I hope you must have written all these words in a very beautiful handwriting. Now we will switch to question number B. Zahid is with his friend Bozu. Tell the number of each body part for both. Now there is Zahid and Bozu. They are friends. We will tell the number of each body parts which they have. You will count with me and you will write in a very beautiful handwriting. Let's start. Fingers. We will count how many fingers Zahid have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write 10 here in a beautiful handwriting. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bozu has 6 fingers. Now write 6 here. Now next is legs. We will count how many legs Zahid have. 1, 2. How many legs you have? You also have 2 legs, na? Right? 2. Now we will count how many legs Bozu has. Bozu has only 1 leg. So we will write 1 over here. Next is chin. How many chin Zahid have? Zahid have only 1 chin. Write 1 over here. Next, how many chin Bozu have? See, 1, 2. So Bozu has 2 chin. Right? 2 over here. Next, toes. We will count toes of Zahid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Zahid has 10 toes. Right? 10 over here. Now we will count toes of Bozu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bozu has 4 toes. So write 4 over here. Next, nose. Let's see how many nose Zahid have. Zahid have only 1 nose. So write 1 over here. We all also have 1 nose, na? Bozu. Now let's see how many nose Bozu have. 1, 2. Bozu has 2 nose. So write 2 over here. Now question number C, page number 15. Fill in the blanks. This also you will do in a beautiful handwriting. Start doing it with me. The dash is hidden in our chest. What is hidden in our chest? Heart. Spelling is H-E-A-R-T. H will be small children. Number 2. We have dash lungs. I explained you how many lungs we have. We have 2 lungs. So the answer is 2. T-W-O, 2. Number 3. The dash protects our brain. What protects our brain? Skull. S-K-U-L-L, skull. Point number 4. The food goes into our dash. When we eat our food, where our food goes? It goes in our stomach. So write the spelling of stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Question number D. Write the name of the body part according to matching number. Now you can see number in this picture. We will see each number and we will write the name. First, number 1 arrow shows nose. So on number 1 we will write N-O-S-E, nose. Second arrow shows eyes. So we will write eyes on number 2, E-Y-E-S. Let's see what third arrow shows. Third arrow shows ears. So we will write ears on third number, E-A-R-S, ears. Fourth arrow shows mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Fifth arrow shows hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Sixth arrow shows head. We will write head on sixth number, H-E-A-D, head. Now let's see what seventh arrow shows. Seventh arrow shows arm, A-R-M, arm. Write on seventh number. Eighth arrow shows hand. Now we will write hand on 8th number. HAND, hand. Ninth arrow shows leg. So we will write leg on the 9th number. LEG, leg. 10th arrow shows foot. So we will write foot on the 10th number. FOOT, foot. Children, I hope you have done this work in a beautiful handwriting. Thank you.